In this video, we take a closer look at the latest rumors surrounding Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. Samsung hasn't shared any details about the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus with the public yet. But we have come across a lot of reports and leaks that give us a good idea of what to expect in terms of the Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus specs, features, design, price, and more. Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will be announced a month sooner than their predecessors. At CES 2018, Samsung Mobile chief DJ Ko said that the smartphones will make their debut at MWC in Barcelona, which runs from February 26 to March 1. The exact date was not mentioned, but we expect the reveal to take place a day or two before MWC kicks off, when large companies typically hold their press conferences. DJ Ko said that the release date of the Galaxy S9 will also be revealed in sunny Spain. Based on the Galaxy S8 series, the flagships will likely go on sale a month after their announcement, in March. Samsung Galaxy S9 design. Although official images of the two devices haven't popped up online yet, we have a good idea of what the Galaxy S9 smartphones might look like. OnLeakShares teamed up with 91 Mobiles and released alleged CAD renders and a 360-degree video of the Galaxy S9. They show that the device could look very similar to its predecessor, with a few exceptions. The biggest one is that the fingerprint scanner could be positioned below the camera sensor instead of next to it, as already mentioned in the specs and features section above. OnLeaks then joined forces with MySmartPrice and also released alleged CAD renders and a 360-degree video of the Galaxy S9 Plus. As expected, it looks more or less identical to its smaller brother. The only difference is that the device features a dual camera setup, while the S9 only features a single shooter on the back. Having a similar design as their predecessors isn't a bad thing. The Galaxy S9 and Galaxy S9 Plus won't be major upgrades over their predecessors. According to a report from VentureBeat, they will come with the same curved displays as the Galaxy S8 series. This means we'll see 5.8 and 6.2-inch Super AMOLED panels with QHD Plus resolution and an 18.5:9 aspect ratio. To recall, the Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus are identical except for screen and battery sizes. Things may be different when it comes to their successors, as we can expect to see more differences. The Galaxy S9 Plus is said to have 2 GB of RAM more than its smaller brother, 6 GB versus 4 GB. It might also feature dual camera setup, while the S9 should only have a single shooter on the back. An image of an alleged Galaxy S9 retail box, which you can check out above, gives us additional info regarding the specs of the Galaxy S9. It suggests that the flagship's camera could have a 12MP sensor with OIS and variable aperture, f/1.5 for low light shots and f/2.4 for when there's more light available. We've already seen this technology on Samsung's high-end flip phone called the W2018, which launched back in December. You can check out what the variable aperture looks like in action below. The retail box also mentions super slow-mo, hinting that the Galaxy S9 could capture videos at 1000 fps, just like the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. Other specs revealed include an 8MP selfie snapper, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. The flagship might have stereo speakers on board and ship with a free pair of headphones, both tuned by AKG. Then there's also the IP68 rating for protection against water and dust, wireless charging, and an improved iris scanner. According to the Korean Herald, citing a source familiar with the matter, the Galaxy S9's iris scanning lens will be upgraded from 2MP to 3MP to help it better identify users' irises. This will help the S9 scanner superior performance in very bright or very dark environments, when users are wearing glasses, and when they are moving their eyeballs. Rumors also suggest that both devices will be powered by the same chipset, either the Exynos 9810 or the recently announced Snapdragon 845, depending on the region. We also expect to see a new location for the fingerprint scanner. The Galaxy S9 smartphones will still sport the scanner on the back, but they won't sit right next to the camera like on their predecessors. Instead, they'll likely be located below the cameras, in the middle of the devices. This is fantastic news, as the scanner's location on the S8 is one of its biggest drawbacks. Not only does it look weird, it's also impractical. According to Business Korea, Samsung will stick with the same 2D facial recognition software found on the Galaxy S8. The company has decided to ignore 3D technology due to technological limitations and concerns over user security. But the facial recognition feature could get a small upgrade. It should be faster. When it comes to software, Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus will run Android Oreo with Samsung's UI on top. Bixby, which made its debut on the Galaxy S8 series, should also be on board, probably in an enhanced form. It's worth mentioning that the Galaxy S9 smartphones have recently stopped by the FCC. Model numbers SMG960F and SM965F. However, apart from a long list of network bands and other types of connectivity, the listings don't reveal much else. Recently, Samsung's upcoming smartphones, carrying model numbers SMG960, Galaxy S9, and SMG965, Galaxy S9 Plus, have been certified by the FCC again. This time, a few different versions of the devices are listed that end with U, U1, W, and XU. The letter U stands for the US model, U1 is for the unlocked variants, W is for Canada, and XU is for demo units. The FCC IB reveals the full list of supported GSM, CDMA, LTE, and UMTS bands. The Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus launched at $725 and $825, making them more expensive than their predecessors. Even though the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus likely won't offer a lot more than the S8 series, rumors claim they might come with higher price tags. If prices do increase, we'll likely see a domino effect. The fact is that Samsung dictates pricing with its Galaxy S series. If the S9 will cost more, we can expect devices like the LG G7, Huawei P11, and HTC U12 to come with higher price tags as well. Keep in mind that nothing has been confirmed yet. It's still possible we won't see a price hike and that the Galaxy S9 handsets will cost the same as their predecessors. What we can be sure of is that they won't be cheaper. These are all the rumors about the Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus we have come across so far. Meanwhile, do let us know your thoughts on Samsung's upcoming smartphones. Would you consider getting either of them based on the info we know so far? Let us know in the comments.